Hello everyone, this is Dr. Surya. Today we are going to see a problem on inverted U-tube manometer. So an inverted U-tube manometer is connected to two horizontal pipes A and B through which water is flowing. So it means what? We are having an horizontal pipes so in which the water is flowing. So water is flowing in the pipe. And the vertical distance between the axes of these pipes is 30 centimeter. So they have given that the distance between, that is, there is the bulbs are not at the same level, they are at different levels. So what we have to do is we have to construct a diagram. So here I have constructed a diagram. So they have given that the vertical distance between the axes of this pipe is 30 centimeter. So which means what? This distance is 30 centimeter. Generally we will mark a center to center distance. So I am marking this as 30 to 30, center to center distance of A and B is 30 centimeter. Then they have given that oil of specific gravity 0.8 is used as gauge fluid. So here my oil will be the gauge fluid. Then the vertical height of water columns in the two limbs of the inverted manometer when measured from the respective center lines are found to be same and it is equal to 35 centimeter. So they have told that the vertical columns is going to be from the datum line, it is 35 centimeter. So only after that you can mark this datum line and you can fix where is your oil or you can fix your datum line. So first you have to draw these two bulbs and you have to mark this 30 centimeter, and then they have given A and B is filled with water, so you can write it, and they have given that both the levels of water, that is it is filled with water and the distance will be of 35 centimeter. So you have to mark that. Only then we can mark a datum line C and D. So I am marking my datum line to be C and D here. Okay, C and D is going to be the datum line now. Okay, next, determine the difference of pressure between the pipes. It means they have asked to determine the difference, which is PB minus PA or PA minus PB. So whatever it is, we have to get the difference between the pressure. Now, if this is 35 centimeter, this will be 30 centimeter because the datum line is similar. So now our datum line is going to be C and D. C and D is our datum line. So as usual, here also the same concept. Only thing, since because it is inverted U-tube manometer, we will be subtracting. In normal U-tube manometer we will be adding, here we are going to subtract it. So I am taking as usual pressure below the datum line CD, that is I will take it as PC to be the pressure below the datum line CD in the left limb. Okay, PC at the left limb, which is equal to, here I am having PA minus rho GH, since because it is rho 1 GH1, whatever it is, since because it is water, there is no need to calculate using specific gravity, no need to calculate density using specific gravity. So PA minus density for water is 1000 and acceleration due to gravity is 9.81 and my H1 is going to be 35 centimeter. So from the datum line, so I am marking it as 0.35 meter. So you have to be very careful when doing the unit conversion. Next is PD. PD is nothing but pressure below the datum line CD in the right hand side limb we have to take into consideration now. So what are the things we are having? First we are having a oil here. Oil is, generally we used to write rho G H1 I have taken here, so I can take it as H2 minus rho 2 G H2 minus here PB minus we have to do it, so it will be plus PB. So PB minus rho g is oil is having a specific gravity 0.8. So 0.8 into 1000 into 9.81 into 0.3 minus 1000 into 9.81 into 0.35. Okay. Now as usual, both the pressure on the left limb will be equal to pressure in the right limb. So I can equate PC is equal to PD. PC is equal to PD. So which is PA minus 1000 into 9.81 into 0.35, which is equal to PB minus 1000 into 9.81 into 0.35 minus 0.8 into 1000 into 9.81 into 0.3. So these two things we can cancel it off. So I can take it like this, which is I am bringing PB minus PA will be equal to 0.8 into 1000 into 9.81 into 0.3. So PB minus PA will be equal to 2354.4 Newton per meter square. So this is going to be my answer. The next problem is that find out the differential reading H of an inverted U-tube manometer containing oil of specific gravity 0.7 as the manometric fluid. And it is connected across the pipes A and B as shown in figure. So it means what? They have given the figure. So from the figure it will be very easy for us to calculate. And A and B is conveying liquids of specific gravities 1.2 and 1, which is immiscible with manometric liquid. So note here that there are two more liquids are there. That is in pipe A you are having a specific gravity of 1.2. So let me take this as pipe A and this is pipe B. So pipe A specific gravity is 1.2 and for pipe B specific gravity is 1. Apart from that they have given this is going to be oil and this specific gravity is 0.7. So we have to mark all those things. Next, pipes A and B are located at the same level and assume the pressures at A and B are equal. So which means that PB will be equal to PA. So this is given in the problem. So they have asked us to determine the differential reading H. So here this will be my H. So I have to calculate this differential reading. The same procedure we are going to follow. So let me take this datum to be C and D. So pressure at C and pressure at D. Pressure at C, that is the pressure below the datum line in the left limb will be equal to PA minus rho 1 GH1 minus rho G GH. So here my PA minus rho 1 is specific gravity is 1.2. So 1.2 into 1000 into 9.81 and my H1 is 30 centimeter. So which is going to be 0.3. Okay, then minus rho G is 13 points. Sorry, as usual I am taking mercury. So here it is oil. So we have to be careful which we are using it of. So oil will be 0.7 into 1000 into 9.81 into the difference. We don't know the value of H. This is what we are going to determine. And next is PD. PD will be equal to the pressure below the datum line in the right limb, which is equal to PB minus rho 2 G H2. So PB minus of rho 2 is here 1 into 1000, G is 9.81 into H2, so which is H plus 0.3. You can see here this distance. So this distance is nothing but H plus 0.3. So H plus 0.3. Now we are going to equate, that is the pressure in the left limb will be equal to pressure in the right limb. So I am going to equate it off. So which is PA minus of 1200 into 9.81 into 0.3 minus of 700 into 9.81 into H, which will be equal to PB minus 1000 into 9.81 into H plus 0.3. So it is given in the problem that pressure at A and pressure at B is equal. So I can cancel these two off. Now I am simplifying it. So minus of 3531.6 minus 6867H, which is equal to minus of 9810 H plus 0.3. Now I am cancelling off all the negative sign here. So which becomes 3531.6 plus 6867H, which is equal to 9810 of H plus 0.3. 3531.6 plus 6867H will be equal to 9810H plus 2943. I am multiplying and I am simplifying it. Now I am bringing all the H in one side and all the constant in the other side. So I am just rearranging, which is 9810H minus 6867H, which is equal to 3531.6 minus 2943. 2943H is equal to 588.6. From here I will be getting H is equal to 0.2 and the unit will be meter, and difference in level we will be writing in centimeter. So H is equal to 20 centimeter. So this is going to be my answer. Thank you. Happy learning.